Hey everyone, in less than 20 hours I'm leaving for Hawaii and I'm so excited, but now I have to do the dreaded packing. I hate packing. I always put it off to the last minute. Do you do that? So being that we get one free checked bag on our ticket, we decided this time we are going to pack our checked luggage and hopefully it makes it to the same island in Hawaii that we're going to. We have, I think, an almost 5.5 hour layover in Vancouver, so we didn't want to be bothered with our carry-on luggage. So I'm going to show you what I'm taking and how I pack it in my checked bag. Off the top of my head, I don't know the size. It's probably like a medium. I've had this suitcase for probably about 8 years. And I'm also going to show you what I'm taking for toiletries that's going in my checked bag. And I'll also show you what I'm taking on my carry-on airplane bag. If that sounds interesting to you, sit back, relax, and help me pack. Okay, so my trusty assistant buddy is here to supervise. So I'm gonna start by putting the tote bag in first. So I have both of the tote bags. So I'm gonna be wearing my heaviest shoes. Then I'm just going to put the sandals all at the bottom. So in this zipper compartment, I have a lint roller that I just leave in there, and then I just have an extra luggage tag in case I would ever need one. And I'm also putting in an air tag. So my daughter has set these up. We'll each have one in our suitcase, and we'll be able to keep track of our luggage. Air Canada, don't fail me. I've never had a problem with Air Canada. Our luggage has always arrived when we have checked bags. Okay, so now I'm packing my shorts. I'm not using packing cubes this time, just can't be bothered. I'm very pressed for time and feeling a little stressed because I have to get work done and get this packed. I'm putting my pajamas. One swimsuit. Okay, so I rolled up my rash guard and I'm going to stuff it in there. I rolled up one swimsuit cover up and put my other swimsuit cover up there. I'm gonna lay down that Chico's blouse. Okay, so this is all of my bras, underwears, and those little socket things. I'm just gonna roll this hat, shove it in here. Now, I have rolled my clothes. I've never rolled clothes before, but I wanted to give it a try and see what it was like. Some people swear by it, so I'm not sure. Okay, so let's recap. We have shoes, underwear, and our clothes, PJs. I do have a wet bag, but for the life of me, I can't find it. So I'm just going to take an extra plastic bag in case we go swimming on the Sunday, the day we return home. That way I can put my bathing suit in that so it doesn't, get my other stuff wet. And I'll just shove that in that back zippered compartment. So here is my bag of sunscreen, and yes, I know I can buy sunscreen there, but I want to make sure that I have some so that I'm prepared. So I have face sunscreen, after sun care, I have a mask for my face, I have a hair product, some shampoo, some Downy wrinkle release, and some little sample perfumes. So I'm gonna put that right here. This is a toiletry bag that I got from Amazon, and it actually opens up. Okay, so this is a toiletry bag I got in Amazon, and it's a hanging bag. So these are just some face masks we can use in the evening. Deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, blister pack, in case I get blisters. And then that hook just goes in there. Q-tips, and then in here is my eye care. I have dry eyes. I have my contact lenses, eye drops, dental floss, some cotton pads, to clean my face. And then those are some Olay face floss. You just add water and it acts as your cleanser. So that's all I'm taking for toiletries. My skincare stays with me. My skincare never leaves my side. I'm very, very picky about that. Okay, so now we're gonna put this guy right here. Poor suitcase is so battered. And then I'll do my lockup after. So this one's ready to go, and now we're gonna move over to my airplane bag. So this is the bag that I'm taking with me. It is by Getaway, and I really do love it. You can carry it like this, and it also comes with a strap. And I just leave the strap in the bag, so whenever I need to put it on. Okay, so I'm gonna put one bathing suit in my carry-on in case, you know, we want to go swimming when we get there. I don't know. And then I'm putting my turtle thing that's to help you sleep, but I can never sleep on a plane. And then my scarf in case I need that. And then this is my kind of, you know, medication bag. I have Advil, Tums, some melatonin, Tylenol. I have my thyroid pills. So this always stays with me. I never put that in my checked bag. Got my iPad all charged up. I'm ready to go. My charger, my iPhone charger, my headphones, sunglasses. I actually have prescription sunglasses, and then I have non-prescription sunglasses for when I'm wearing my contacts. And then in the outside pocket, slip in a couple of masks and some cleaning cloth, a pack of Kleenex, and this is my skincare, and it always stays with me. I decided to take the pills out. I'm just going to keep the Tylenol, and then my medication, and then my thyroid medication, skincare, and then I just have some lifesavers in case I get a tickle in my throat. So that's it. That's all I'm taking on the plane, just my necessities. I actually downloaded 2 books to listen to. I've never listened to like audiobooks before. So that's my carry-on bag. I almost forgot I gotta put my jewelry in. So that is my carry-on airplane bag. That should have everything that I need for our long travel day. If you haven't seen my travel capsule wardrobe for Hawaii, I will link it here and go and watch that video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's 100% free, and I would love to have you here as part of the community at Style with Cathy Over 50. See you soon. Bye.